Welcome to the Supiri App, your daily life simplified, tailored just for Sri Lanka. Imagine running your entire life, from daily concerns to good fortune, all from one place with just a few taps. Modern life in Sri Lanka is busy. You need a tool that keeps pace with your dynamic environment. Stop switching between apps and searching endlessly. The Supiri app is your all-in-one solution for everything you need to know. Let's explore how Supiri helps you manage your daily life with ease and efficiency. With the Akura feature, switch effortlessly between Sinhala and English keyboards without changing apps. Check the Calagoon for the entire week's weather forecast at your fingertips, including rain chance and temperature. Never miss a departure. The train timetable feature gives you up-to-date information on train times, routes, and seat classes. Quickly find the results for all your favorite lotteries, including Govisetha, Mahajana Sampatha, and Super Bowl. Supiri isn't just about utility. It also helps you look and feel your best. Get daily Rahas updates on makeup tips, skincare routines, and other essential beauty advice. Stay on top of the latest fashion with Vilasitha, offering daily updates on dressing well and costume ideas.
Look at the colors
The Supiri
in the
app
sky.
also
It's
supports your family,
absolutely beautiful.
from health advice to delicious recipes.
We should come here again tomorrow.
Access Amai Babai for expert information on baby nutrition, children's health, and family well-being. Never get bored with cooking. Iwum Pihum offers a Sinhala recipe book with ideas for main dishes, desserts, curries, and more. Discover what the stars have in store and ensure good fortune for you and your loved ones. Check your daily horoscope predictions with Lagna Palapala and generate your birth chart using Handa Hana.
Look at the colors
Find
in the
auspicious
sky.
times
It's
for all your major life
absolutely
events,
beautiful.
whether it's business, marriage, or starting
should
home
come here
construction
again
with
tomorrow.
Nakath. The Supiri app is ideal for parents, housewives, and busy professionals seeking to simplify their daily lives in Sri Lanka. Download the Supiri app today and take control of your daily life, making every day easier and more organized. Search for the Supiri app on the Google Play Store and download it now to start your simplified life.